Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
Last time we started to work about to know more about lists. We need to be familiarized with lists because it's a very basic and important data structure, and we learned how to make lists and how to um, use lists. Okay, seeing some examples like let's see, open exercise 3. Okay, the basic way is to make an empty list first, and every time there is elements that meets the condition, append it to L. Okay, using this type. Okay, and that's the basic way to make lists. Okay, so let's continue. Today we're gonna, oh yeah, by the way, we need to do the homework. What is the fifth factor of 48? Okay, that's simple. So at the end, we saw how to make a list of, say, factors or divisors of 48. So let's use this box. So to do that, maybe, okay, we can copy this. And to do that, fifth, list 5 for n in range, in case we want until 48, we do 48 plus 1, and then we make it 48. By the way, in that case, maybe we can use number as 48, and then put number here, and put number here too. This way, we can change the code so that we can change it to anything as we. So first we check what happens to 36 case. So, okay, maybe I print L5 here. Okay, so this way we can make a list of factors of 36, and in case of 48, it's like this. Okay, so the problem was, what was the fifth factor of 48? Fifth from the smallest. So maybe we should write 4 here, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to pick up the fifth. So this is the answer, 6. Okay, so let's continue. So today's is list comprehension. Have you ever heard of this word? Strange word, list comprehension. A special word to make a list very simply and easily. Okay. So first, make a list of numbers from 1 to 10. And in a single line. Okay. You know how to make a list of numbers from 1 to 10, right? So the basic way is, again, let me do it. Make a simple list, and then for I in, and maybe we can use yes, n in range 1 to 10, and L append n. This is basically the way we learned to make a list of numbers from 1 to 10. Oh, sorry, should be 11 here. Okay, but we can do it in a single way as n for n in range 1 to 11. This is it. The same one. Good. Single line implementation. Instead of this is a very simple way. Please remember this. And we can put it into, of course, L equal, and then print L. The same. Okay? Make a list of 3 times of each of the previous list. Okay. Of course, there are many ways, but interesting way is 3 times, say, m for m in L. This is interesting. 3 times n for m in L. Yeah, so simple. But this is what we want. 3, 6, 9, up to 30. Interesting, right? So instead of writing m here, we can write 3 times m. Okay. Likewise, make a list of 100 minus each of L. You know how to do that. Okay. Stop the video and try yourself. Okay, that's simple. 100 minus this time k for k in L. So as you can see, you can use any running variable here. And this is what we calculate after that. So, right? 99, 98, up to. Okay. Interesting. Make a list of numbers divisible by 3 below 50. Ah, we did it last time using list comprehension. Okay, so let's review what we did last time. Maybe around here. Okay, this we needed at least 4 lines and 5 lines. Okay, to get this. But now I tell you, we can do it in a single way. So, what shall we use? Maybe n for n in range 1 to 51. And then we can put if statement here. If n is divisible by 0. That's it. Very simple, right? 3, 6. So this is exactly what we want. Make a list of numbers divisible by 3 below 50. Beautiful. Below 50. Maybe this can be that doesn't make much difference. Okay. How about numbers divisible either by 2 or 3? Okay. Stop the video and do it yourself. Okay. Are you back? And were you able to do it? So, just the same. Okay, for k in range 1 to 51, if k is divisible by 2, or k is divisible by 3. How about numbers divisible either by 2 or 3? Yeah, this is it. Okay, so there are many. Maybe we can write this way. Sorry. Okay, something is wrong. Print. I wrongly erased. Okay, so this is it. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. You can see that this is correct. Okay. Below 50. Maybe that in that case I can change this to this way. A little different. Either way. Okay. Okay. How about this one? Make a list of 36. So I make a list of 36's factors. Likewise meaning using list comprehension. Can you try yourself? Okay. I hope you could do it. So this is just the same. Maybe we don't need to. N for n in range 1 to 37. If what comes here? 36 is divisible by n. Okay, great. This is what we got last time, exactly the same. Factors of 36 or divisors of 36. Okay, as you can see, you can write many things in a single line using list comprehension. This is very useful. And also we learned how to make another list out of one list using list comprehension like this way. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understood that. So homework is very much the same as last time. How many factors does 48 have? Are there? Yeah, for 48. Okay, do it, of course, using list comprehension. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and please give like if you like, and be sure to come back next time. Bye-bye.